Hello to all my sweet children. Today too, you're here with us at DP Kids to make origami crafts, beautiful crafts, right? And today also I have brought something that is nice and easy to do. It only takes 2 steps for you to do this, right? And collect all your beautiful papers and come get ready to do this origami craft. And you only need a paper like this. It's best if it's a bit brown, a brownish color, right? And a square paper so that we can make a pretty little snail today. We are going to fold it like this as usual. Okay. Now we have folded it into a triangular shape like usual. Now we are going to use the same folding method that we used for the tulip flower. Remember? Now this corner, let's bring it up, because this will be your snail's head. Now the head can't be taller than the shell, so it has to be smaller than the shell part, right? Press it down and then now flip it over, turn it over, and then we have to fold this side also, but it has to be shorter than both the others. Now this is the snail's shape. Can you see? Now fold this little head part in again like this so that we can have his eyes now. See, a little beautiful face, and then all those little circular shapes on his shell. Now, what are we going to do? See, now we have to create antennas for his head. There are 2, remember? So now we are going to paste them onto his head. Make sure the glue doesn't get anywhere else. Now see our little snail. Isn't it a pretty little snail? We made it quite easily, don't you think? You can make any colored snails. Quite easy, don't you think? So now you can make plenty of snails like this. You can use newspapers or any piece of paper that matches the snail's color. Now remember the last time we made a carrot patch with 2 rabbits in it? Now we have another friend coming into the carrot patch to eat or nibble on the carrots. Now I have a small snail there coming here. So make snails from different papers, different sizes. See, now with one vegetable patch we have lots of friends coming, and it's just one paper, right? It's a square piece of paper, and we made carrots, we made rabbits, we made snails. See how many things you can do with one square piece of paper. Onto this paper we have 3 different kinds of origami crafts pasted. So now you can also tell your friends, you can teach your friends. Try doing all these things at home, and if you can't remember, always you can come back to our video and see. Don't forget to be with DP Kids always. I'll see you soon.